Ever felt like you're juggling too many email accounts? Work, personal, social media, it can get overwhelming. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Relay, a powerful email client that aims to simplify your inbox. But here's the burning question: how many Relay accounts can you actually connect and manage? Relay is a modern email client that prides itself on being user-friendly and efficient. It offers features like unified inbox, combine emails from multiple accounts into one central view. Smart rules, automate tasks like filtering, forwarding, and archiving emails. Powerful search, quickly find any email with advanced search filters. Cross-platform sync, seamlessly access your emails across devices. These features make Relay incredibly appealing, but how many accounts can you truly connect and manage effectively? Let's find out. The good news is that Relay is designed to handle multiple accounts. The exact limit might vary slightly depending on your subscription plan, but generally, you can connect a significant number of accounts. Free plan. The free plan likely has limitations on the number of accounts you can connect. This is common with free tiers to encourage users to upgrade. Paid plans. Paid plans offer more generous account limits, allowing you to connect and manage a larger number of inboxes. It's important to note that Relay is designed to handle a substantial number of accounts efficiently. Even with many connected accounts, you should experience smooth performance and a responsive interface. Exploring the benefits of multiple accounts. Connecting multiple accounts to Relay offers several key advantages. Centralized management. Gain a bird's-eye view of all your emails in one place. Improved productivity. Quickly switch between accounts without logging in and out repeatedly. Enhanced organization. Use smart rules to filter and organize emails from different accounts effectively. Reduced stress. Simplify your email workflow and minimize the feeling of being overwhelmed. Tips for managing multiple accounts effectively. Create clear folders and labels. Organize emails from different accounts using a consistent folder or label system. Utilize smart rules. Automate tasks like filtering, forwarding, and archiving emails to keep your inbox clean. Regularly review and archive. Dedicate time to review and archive old emails to prevent your inbox from overflowing. Consider using aliases. Create unique email aliases for different purposes to maintain privacy and better manage incoming messages. Account limits. If you exceed the account limits of your Relay plan, consider upgrading to a plan with a higher limit. Performance issues. With a large number of accounts, you might encounter minor performance issues. Regularly review your rules and folders to optimize performance. Security considerations. Ensure that your Relay account is secure with a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Relay is a powerful tool for managing multiple email accounts efficiently. While the exact number of accounts you can connect may vary, Relay is designed to handle a significant number of inboxes without compromising performance. By leveraging its features and following best practices, you can streamline your email workflow and significantly improve your productivity. Ending sharply. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.